The world of compact filmmaking gear has been evolving at a rapid pace, and one name has consistently stood out in this space: DJI. Known for revolutionizing drones, action cameras, and gimbal systems, DJI has another fan-favorite product line that often flies under the radar but is loved by vloggers, travel filmmakers, and content creators everywhere: the Osmo Pocket series. Now, whispers and leaks suggest that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could be just around the corner. And if these leaks are anything to go by, this tiny yet powerful gimbal camera may be on track to redefine what we expect from portable shooting devices. So today, let's dive deep into everything we know, everything we expect, and everything we hope for from the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This won't just be a simple rundown, it will be a complete breakdown, touching on design, specs, image quality, shooting modes, AI features, portability, battery life, audio upgrades, pricing rumors, and release date speculation. Stick with me until the end because we're going to cover not only what makes this potential upgrade so exciting, but also whether it could be the best vlogging camera of 2025, the legacy of the Osmo Pocket series before. We speculate about the Osmo Pocket 4. It's worth looking back at why this series matters so much. The original Osmo Pocket, released in 2018, shocked the camera world by putting a stabilized gimbal and high-quality camera sensor into something literally small enough to fit in your pocket. It instantly became a go-to choice for vloggers, travelers, and YouTubers who needed something more versatile than a smartphone but didn't want to carry bulky gear. The Pocket 2 improved on that formula by boosting image quality, improving audio, and refining usability. Then came the Pocket 3 in 2023, which many praised for its larger 1-inch sensor, incredible low-light performance, and pro-level features like 10-bit D-Log-M for color grading flexibility. So here we are in 2025, with leaks pointing toward the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a device that looks familiar but could potentially take a big leap forward. First look, the design evolution based on leaked images and early reports. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 keeps the same iconic vertical candy bar form factor that defines the series. Honestly, this is great news. That slim design is what makes the Pocket series so unique. You can slip it into a jacket pocket, a small travel pouch, or even the side pocket of a backpack, and it's ready to go at a moment's notice. But when you look closely at the leaks, you'll notice something new: the camera module. It seems DJI might be experimenting with a dual lens system. One larger main lens likely housing a big sensor, and a smaller secondary module right next to it. If you've been following DJI's drone cameras like the Mavic 3 Pro or the Air 3, this will look very familiar. DJI has been pushing multi-lens systems in their drones, and now it seems that philosophy could be trickling down into the Pocket series. The big question: what does the second lens do? It could be for depth mapping to simulate cinematic background blur. It might offer ultra-wide shooting, giving creators more flexibility, or it could enable advanced AI-powered framing and tracking tools. Imagine setting the Pocket 4 on a small tripod, hitting record, and the camera automatically tracks you, reframes the shot, and even applies background blur, all without external gear. For solo vloggers and YouTubers, that's a total game changer. The sensor debate: image quality versus smart features. Of course, design is one thing, but camera enthusiasts care most about the sensor. The Pocket 3's 1-inch sensor was widely praised because it delivered cinematic footage in a tiny package, especially in low light where smaller sensors struggle. Now here's the dilemma DJI faces. Do they keep the 1-inch sensor to preserve that high image quality? Or do they shrink the sensor slightly to make room for new dual camera technology? If they go smaller, we might lose some low-light performance. But if the trade-off brings powerful new AI features, additional focal lengths, or more creative tools, it might be worth it. This is the balance DJI always has to strike: cinematic image quality versus cutting-edge features, leaked specs, and possible shooting modes. Rumors and early leaks suggest the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could feature 12 megapixel sensor 4K at 240 FPS for ultra-slow motion, 8K at 30 FPS adds 10-bit color support for advanced editing flexibility, improved HDR video. Now, let's break that down. 8K video, overkill or the future? For everyday vloggers, 8K might feel unnecessary. Most audiences still watch in 1080p or 4K. But for professionals, 8K has huge advantages: reframing and post-production without losing quality, future-proofing footage for years ahead, sharper crops for vertical content like TikTok, Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, since DJI already delivered 8K capabilities in other devices like the Insta360 competitor. It's not impossible. Smarter shooting tools. Resolution aside, what excites me most is the potential for smarter AI-driven modes, ActiveTrack 6.0 or beyond, with face tracking that works even in crowded areas, auto-framing that adjusts composition as you move gesture, controls for hands-free operation, voice activation, so you can command the camera without touching it. Combine these with DJI's legendary gimbal stabilization, and you've basically got a tiny cameraman in your pocket. Color science and video quality. One of the biggest upgrades in the Pocket 3 was the addition of 10-bit D-Log-M. This gave creators far more flexibility in color grading, allowing for richer shadows, smoother highlight roll-off, and more dynamic range. If DJI builds on that for the Pocket 4, we could see improved dynamic range closer to mirrorless cameras, HLG support for HDR workflows, cinematic LUTs preloaded for faster editing, better low-light noise handling at that point. You're talking about footage that doesn't just compete with smartphones. It rivals full-size cameras that cost 3 times as much. Usability, screen, weight, and everyday shooting specs are great, but usability matters just as much. According to leaks, the Pocket 4 might feature a slightly larger screen, around 2.2 inches. That doesn't sound huge, but for framing shots and navigating menus, every millimeter makes a difference. Weight under 200 grams. That's lighter than most smartphones, making it ideal for long vlogging sessions, walk and talks, or extended handheld shooting. Battery life of around 3 hours at 1080p, with insanely fast charging. Rumors suggest 80% charge in just 15 minutes. Think about that. You grab a coffee, plug in your Pocket 4, and by the time you're done, you're ready for another full shoot. That's the kind of creator-focused usability that makes a difference. Audio upgrades. Don't overlook. Sound. One of the underrated features of the Pocket 3 was its seamless pairing with DJI's wireless microphones. If DJI improves onboard audio for the Pocket 4 with better stereo microphones, active noise reduction, wind noise suppression, direct compatibility with the DJI Mic 2 system, then you're not just buying a camera, you're buying a complete portable studio setup. Pricing and release date predictions now. Let's talk money. Pocket 3 launched at $549, but tariffs and inflation pushed it closer to $799 in some regions. If Pocket 4 comes with dual sensors, possible 8K, and a larger screen, expect a launch price of $599, $699. As for release date, DJI tends to update the Pocket series every 2 years. Pocket 3 launched in late 2023. That means the Osmo Pocket 4 could arrive in late 2025. However, insiders suggest DJI has been testing multiple prototypes, so if they're not satisfied, they may delay until 2026 to refine it. Honestly, a small delay is a good thing. It means DJI is polishing the product instead of rushing it out. Who is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 for? So who actually needs this camera? Let's break it down. Vloggers and YouTubers. Perfect for anyone who needs a lightweight, stabilized camera that's better than a smartphone but easier to use than a DSLR. Travel filmmakers. Fits in a pocket, charges fast, and records cinematic footage anywhere. Professionals. As a B camera or backup camera, especially if 8K and advanced color profiles are included. Content creators. Ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts thanks to easy reframing and vertical shooting support. Final thoughts, what to expect from the Osmo Pocket. At this stage, we're still dealing with leaks, rumors, and speculation. But if even half of these upgrades make it into the final product, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could be one of the most exciting compact cameras of 2025. It could go 2 ways. A refined Pocket 3, keeping the 1-inch sensor, improving usability, better audio, slightly larger screen. A bold new step, dual cameras, 8K video, AI-powered tracking and framing, future-proof features.